The decision of where to legally form your business is a significant one, and as your business evolves, your needs and preferences may change. If you initially chose LegalZoom for your business formation services, but are now considering a switch to Incfile, this explanation will guide you through the general process and highlight key considerations. It's important to understand that you aren't directly transferring your existing legal entity from LegalZoom to Incfile. LegalZoom and Incfile are service providers that assist with the initial formation process. Your business's legal existence is established through filings with the relevant state authorities, e.g., Secretary of State. Therefore, switching involves a strategic shift in where you obtain ongoing compliance and registered agent services, and potentially utilizing Incfile for future business needs. Here's a breakdown of the process. Evaluate your current needs and reasons for switching. Before making any changes, clearly define why you are considering moving from LegalZoom to Incfile. Are you seeking more affordable registered agent services? Do you prefer Incfile's software platform or customer support? Understanding your motivations will help you ensure Incfile aligns with your current requirements. Review your LegalZoom agreement. Familiarize yourself with the terms of service and any ongoing subscriptions you have with LegalZoom, particularly regarding registered agent services. Understand their cancellation policies and any potential fees associated with discontinuing their services. Sign up for services with Incfile. Visit the Incfile website and explore their service packages. If you are primarily interested in registered agent services, sign up for their offering in the state where your business is registered. You may also consider their compliance services to help manage annual filings and other regulatory requirements. Update your registered agent information with the state. This is a crucial step. Once you engage Incfile as your new registered agent, you will need to officially update this information with the Secretary of State or the relevant business registration authority in your state. Incfile typically provides guidance and the necessary forms for this process. Failing to update your registered agent can lead to miss important legal and tax notifications. Cancel your registered agent service with LegalZoom, if applicable once your new registered agent designation with Incfile is confirmed by the state. You should formally cancel your registered agent service with LegalZoom according to their terms and conditions. Ensure you receive confirmation of the cancellation to avoid further charges. Consider other services. If you utilize LegalZoom for other services beyond initial formation and registered agent, e.g., annual report filing, legal document templates, assess whether Incfile or another provider can meet these ongoing needs. You may need to independently manage these tasks or subscribe to relevant services with Incfile or other vendors. Proactively manage your state compliance filings. Regardless of which service provider you use, it is ultimately your responsibility to ensure your business remains in good standing with the state. Set reminders for annual report deadlines and other required filings. Utilizing Incfile's compliance services can help streamline this process, but always double-check deadlines and ensure timely submissions to avoid penalties.